Hi boss, I'm Jason. Welcome to today's live show. And last week, the last live show, I already introduced our Yumia's banquet series product, banquet chair, and some functional banquet chair, and new style, new design of the banquet chair, and special technology such as the carbon fiber for the flatbed chair. Yeah. So today, if you are running a hotel business or the hotel furniture business, I think today's live show is very valuable for you. Yeah, because today I would like to take you to look around our furniture factory. So it's very interesting. So if today you have time, I hope you can look. I hope you can enjoy today's live show. So now let's start today's live show. Yep. And here is the entrance of our Yumia Furniture Factory. So as you know that our Yumia Furniture Factory is very professional and focused on the hotel banquet series many years. So we have many experience of the hotel banquet. Yeah. So now I would like to take you look around about our Yumia Furniture Factory. Yeah. So maybe in the past I already introduced for you that about our special cooperation policies. Yeah. So the first one is the COMOQ and the stock COMOQ policy. It means that you can purchase the our hot selling product series, and then we can quick ship for you when you convert the fabric, when you convert the shelving. Yeah. So in our hotel series, we have the special one. It means YT2188 and the YT2189. Yeah. This kind of product is belong to our hot selling product. And the second corporation policy is our stock item policy. Yeah, for the stock item policy, it means that this one. Yeah, you can see the shelving. Yeah, and for this one, shelving is our stock item policy. So, what's the meaning about the stock item policy? It means that when you today you get the small quantity order project, but you don't want to pay for the extra cost for the minimum order cost. So you can use our the stock item policy. It means that you can just order the shelving over 100 pieces, and then whatever you want to order the chair, maybe 20 pieces or 30 pieces, you just convert this chair for the shelving color and the fabric color, and then we can order to you. And then the stock item shelving we already produce for you, and the storage in our furniture factory. Yeah. So when you next time when you want to order, you can enjoy this policy, and then you don't need to worry about any extra cost. Yeah. So in Yumia, we have the quality formula. It means that because Yumia furniture is focused on the commercial furniture, so that the safety, detail, package, standard, and safety, detail, package, comfort, and something like that. Yeah, is our quality formula. So that you can see here have so many stock item thing, because the Yumia is we have many clients from the worldwide, and then we do many successful case in the worldwide for some hotel project. Yeah. So that this is the shelving in our factory. Yep. Okay. So when today you come to our furniture factory, I would like to show you this one. Yeah, you can see this is our raw material for the our chair and for our table, something like that, for our furniture. Yeah, so in Umia we are focused on the metal furniture, and then we have 80% for the aluminum. As you can see here, all the white color chair thing, all the white color thing is aluminum. Yeah, white color is aluminum. And then for this one, you can see, yeah, for our chair tubing is more than 2.0 mm thickness. Yeah, so that is the reason that we can promise you that our chair can support 500 pounds, and this is the reason one. And then all the aluminum tubing is the highest level for aluminum tubing is 6061 grade aluminum, so that our chair is very, very durable. Okay, as you can see, here is so many chair tubing, but if you are very professional, you will see one point. You can see all the chair thing, all the material, they won't just put it on the ground, on the ground, and it will use a panel to suffer it, yeah, to catch it, because we are the well-organized factory, so that for the chair tubing, for the raw material, we don't just put it on the ground. And you can see here, yeah, all the tubing, we will use this one, yeah, to protect it. And then you can see this one is the special structure for the tubing, is the patent tubing. And then this is also the reason that we can offer you for the 10 years warranty, and then our chair can support 500 pounds. This is also the reason one. Yeah. So now I would like to take you look around our hardware workshop. Yeah, hardware workshop. And then for our factory, we will purchase the material every day. Yeah, you can see. You can see the material is so clear and very, very good quality. Yeah. Take care. And in Umia Furniture Factory, we have the 80% for the aluminum and 10% for the steel and the stainless steel, and this one is the steel. Yeah. So in the first part, I would like to introduce for you about our cutting the tubing knife. Is this one? Yeah. You can see the knife. It's imported from Japan. So what's the advantage? Yeah, it can control the tubing for the knife only 0.1 cm. Yeah, it means the 1 mm mistake. 1 mm mistake. So as you know that for the commercial furniture, standard is a very important point. So when the material, we can control the size, we can control the standard in the first step, so that when the whole chair finish, you can see the standard is very, very good. So that we are the professional commercial furniture manufacturer. We have a more experience, so that we can consider more how to make the product better, how to make the chair better. As you can see, all material we put here, and we will get the good protect for it. Yeah, attack any damage. Yeah. Yeah. You can see so many tubing in here, and whatever I catch one, you can see all the tubing is 2.0 mm thickness. So you don't need to worry about, oh, you put some tubing here just for the cayenne seed. No, this is the raw material for our product. Okay, for the hotel furniture supplier, and for the, yeah, you must know that this one is chair, yeah, this one is our fastback chair leg. As you can see, all the welding area we will do the full welding. Yeah, very, very good. And our chair tubing, you can see in this part, in the raw material is 2.0 mm thickness, but in the last part it will more than 2.0 mm thickness. Yeah, so that it can promise you that the chair is very, very good quality. Yeah. Oh. So in our factory, you will see so many material and the chair thing in here. And what's more, I would like to introduce this one. Yeah, the same one, but I forget introduce for one point. Is when you see this part, it's the best chair, best banquet chair, and this one is for the L shape. Yeah, for the L shape. And I can use my microphone. You can hear. Yeah, very, very good quality. And you can see so many thickness. Yeah, so it can promise you that the chair is very, very durable. Okay. For the in Umia's quality formula, and safety is very, very important point, because we know that in some other country, when the client they use the chair, they sitting on the chair, they have accident for the damage, cut their hand, cut their leg. The hotel, the restaurant need to pay the large cost for the to give the client. So that in Umia, we are very, very focused on the safety. Yeah. So in the later, I will show you the polish area. You can see how good quality, how good control in our furniture factory. Yeah. As you can see, this one is also our banquet chair. Yeah. It's normal one. And you can see here, you can see the chair tubing, very, very good quality. And then here, you can see full welding. So when you come to our furniture factory, when you see the raw material, when you see the raw chair frame in here, you know how good quality in our furniture factory and how good quality of our products. Yeah. And this one is the patent tubing I just already introduced for you. And you can see that we not only use the tubing in here and in our chair thing, we also will use it, so that we can promise you that our product is very, very good quality. So that for the commercial furniture and for the hotel banquet furniture, you know that standard is very, very important point. because you can imagine it in the banquet hall, so many banquet chairs in here. But if one chair the standard is not enough, you very easy to see the problem in here. But in Lumia, I just said we have the Japan import for the cutting knife, and then we have the it can control the tubing mistake only 1 mm. In here, for our welding robot, it also can control the standard. So why I will say that the welding robot can control the standard? Because we weld a chair in a mold, but the robot weld it when the mistake over 1 mm, it will stop working. So it's a one part for control the standard. And then I want to say that in Lumia we have 6 welding robots. So when you order for the large quantity chair order, you don't need to worry about the delivery time, because in Lumia we have the human welding area and the robot welding area. Human welding is for the point, maybe the client order the small quantity, and maybe some clients they don't want to pay the extra cost for the mold cost. But if the client they order the large quantity order, we can develop the mold, chair mold for it. So when you use the welding robot to weld it, it will save the time and then save the cost. Yeah. And the most important point is the welding robot can better control the mistake, control the welding area. This machine is when the chair tubing welded, it will have a welding part. But use this machine, it can clean the part. Yeah. So I want to show you that. Before to do the polishing, it's do like this one. Yeah, do like this one. But after our worker use the machine to polish it, it will look like this one. Very smooth. Very smooth. In Lumia furniture factory, we have 3 times polishing. And the first time is for the chair tubing, or for the tubing polish. And the next part is for the polishing for the whole chair. Yeah, and this one is also for the tubing polishing. And here is our polishing area. You can see so many workers working here, and then you can see that I can find before polishing and after polishing. You can see this part is before polishing, but after polishing, it looks like this one. Part very smooth. Okay, so here is our polishing area, maybe the noisy is very noisy. But I just want to show you that for Lumia furniture factory, for in our quality formula, safety, detail, package, safe, comfort, and standard. Yeah. So for the polishing, it can promise you for the safety because it won't have any scratch. And then for the standard, we can promise you for the standard because you can see the how smooth for the chair thing. Yeah. Now I want to most important introduce the one part in our production line is this one. So maybe you are curious what is the worker doing here is that adjustment the inner size and the outside for the chair thing. Yeah. Because in our furniture factory, maybe the client they have their own factory in their country, but they want to save the shipping cost, so they want to do the KB design for the chair. So that's this is the reason that why we must want to control the inner size because the client they will innovate. Yeah, the client they will knock the chair backrest and the chair seat in their factory. So when we control the inner size and the outside for the product, yep. So you can know that the client they will very easy to fix it, to knock the chair. And then the adjustment for the inner side and outside, this is also the point we focus on the standard. So you can see the tubing, very thick. It must more than 3.0 mm thickness. So today, when you're running a hotel business, I want to show you that in Lumia, you know that aluminum material is very soft. So when we purchase it, it just maybe 6 degrees for the hardness. But when we just polish it, when we weld it, we will send it to this area. Yeah, this area can make the chair thing be more hot over 14 degrees. Yeah, hardness level 14 degrees. Yeah. And here you can see so many chair things we already produced it. Yeah. And this one is also, this chair is also can use in the banquet area and the restaurant area. And here is our semi-automatic line. Yeah, by semi-automatic transport line. So in Lumia, our chair will do the chemical washing in our factory, and then after to do the chemical washing, we will do the detail polishing. Yeah, so after the chair do the chemical washing, our chair thing will send to this area by our worker to do the detail polishing, so that it can promise you that the chair thing is very smooth, and then the first part it can promise you the chair thing very smooth, and the second part it can promise you the quality of our powder. Yeah, because when the chair do the powder coating, it's just like a lady do the makeup. If the lady's skin is very not good, not healthy, when they do the makeup, you will easy to see the problem, you will easy to see the mistake. But if the lady's skin is very smooth, they just makeup, you will feel very good. So it's the same work in our furniture polishing and our powder coating. And the next part is our powder coating workshop, but I think it's very hard to take a look around in there. In Lumia, all our product powder coating, we will do the tiger powder coating. I will take you another way. Yeah, if you use the tiger powder coating, so what's the benefit of the powder coating? Tiger powder coating, it will 3 times durable than normal powder coating. Yeah. So after I will take you to our powder coating workshop, you will see the package of the powder coating. Yeah. Okay. After the chair do the powder coating, we will send it to our heating oven. We will do the heat transfer so that it can make the color can better match and cover on our chair tubing and our chair frame. Okay, take care. Here is our powder coating workshop. You can see this is our tiger powder coating package. All our product we will use the tiger powder coating. It's very famous powder coating brand in Austria. Yeah, so when you see the chair thing here, you will very curious for it why the chair has so many PVC. This is the reason that why Lumia can do the metal wood grain technology so good. So I would like to introduce this technology for you in the later. Okay, so take care. So the Lumia, for the powder coating color, we will do the heat transfer, and for the wood grain color, we also will do the heat transfer. Okay, the next part, I want to take you look around our software workshop. And in our Lumia software workshop, I will introduce our mold form and the high density form for you, and you will better to know which form you can choose. Yeah, so many chair things in our factory. Okay, this one is the high density form. It is 45 kg per cubic meter, and this form most time used in the restaurant chair, because you know that the restaurant chair have different style, different shape, but if use the mold form, if you have a large cost, yeah. So that is the high density foam, and this one is the mold foam. You can see for the mold foam is 65 kg per cubic meter, and when I touch it, very good support feeling. Yeah. So many foam and so many workers in here. Yeah. So when our chair finish to do the powder coating heat transfer, it will send to this area, and this area is we call it the secret of the metal wood grain technology. Yeah. So you can see after the chair do the powder coating color, and it will send to this area, and then our worker will put the wood grain paper to cover the chair face. So after to do that, you can see our worker will use the PVC paper to make the wood grain paper better to cover the chair thing. So this is the reason that Lumia furniture can do the metal grain technology so great. Yeah. And so for the hotel furniture supplier, or for the hotel furniture, or if you're running a hotel business, you will have a question that I will actually tell you that if you know that, if you see the last time live show, I already told you that we can use the metal wood grain technology in the banquet chair, so it can make the chair have more competitive, marketing competitive. Yeah. So in Lumia we have the PCM machine. So each style chair we have each wood grain paper size, so that when you order the different chair, different style chair, we also can offer you for the wood grain color, and also for the normal powder coating color. In here you can see this machine, and this machine is also the one point for the standard, because maybe in the factory the worker have the woman or the man, their stress is different. So if have this machine, it can better to control the fabric for our chair. So that this also is the point for the in Lumia we focus on the standard. So just now I say that in our quality formula, the foam can promise you for the comfortable, and the fabric, the vinyl can also promise you for the comfort. And the next part I would like to show you for our Lumia's package. So why in Lumia Furniture Factory package is very important part? Because we hope the chair we produce what it look like in our factory. Yeah, because we can produce a very good look product, but we also want the product in your hand is also a very good look. So package is very important part in our factory. Yep. So in here you can see all our product before the package. We will do the quality check. Yeah, quality check. Actually, in our furniture factory, we have over 10 times quality check. So something like the welding robot is also the QC part in our factory. Because you know that over 1 mm thickness, over 1 mm mistake, it will stop working. So that this is also the part for the quality check. And then before to do the package, our worker will very carefully to clean it. clean the shelving, clean the fabric, vinyl, and then we'll use the bubble paper to better to protect our chair, and then to send it to package. So if today you're running a hotel business, I think when you look around for our Lumia furniture factory, you will have a stress feeling because all our chair, all our product is very professional produced. Yeah. And we can produce the chair very carefully, and then we can make it very good quality. So if you have time, I would like to invite you to come to our factory to see how good quality, how well organized of our product of our factory. So it's gonna to the end of today's live show. If you are running a hotel business or running a hotel furniture business, I hope you can contact us and we will share our banquet catalog for you, and you can choose the product what you want because you know that how good quality of Lumia product. Yeah, you already see the how good quality of Lumia product. Okay, so it's the end of today's live show. I'm Jason, waiting for you in next time. Bye bye. Hello boss, today I would like to introduce a chair to you. We call it Swan chair. Inspired by Swan, it's simple, elegant, and luxury. It has footwell structure to suit different sitting poses. KD design allow for more container loading, saving your shipping cost. Looking for beautiful and functional chair? This is the one.